Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to be scaping this small nano tank and I want to do a woodland inspired scape. So I did this little tryout, but I don't really like it. I don't think it works too much with the height of the light. It's going to get in the way. So I'm going to try a different composition, and I also think that I'm going to cut down the pieces of wood so then they don't stick out of the tank. The wood I'm going to be using for the scape is manzanite wood. It has a bunch of really cool details. So I got this wood from Aquarium Aquascapes. I am not affiliated with them, I'm not sponsored. It's just if you guys want some cool premium hardscape, I'm going to leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. Substrate wise, I wanted to use something a little different today. I would normally use aqua soil in all my planted tanks, but because this one isn't going to be as planted as the other ones, I want to go for this black gravel. Also going for a very dark look with this tank. Because I'm going for a dark woodland scape, it makes sense to use some black lava rocks. So as always, I'm going to try a bunch of different combinations, see what I like the most. What I'm going to do after that is I'm just going to mark the wood at certain areas so then I can go and cut them. An interesting thing to do when you're making a scape like this is to put the big pieces at the front to create an illusion of depth. This is a very small tank, so it is on the harder side to achieve. So I find that this technique works pretty well. So in normal circumstances, I would have gone and cut the wood outside. The thing is, we're going through a heat wave right now in France, and it is boiling hot outside, boiling hot inside, but outside it's like 100 times worse. And if I go outside, I'm gonna look like a cooked chicken wing. So I'm gonna make a mess, but I'm gonna do it here. Okay, so everything's coming together pretty nicely. I'm satisfied with how the scape is looking so far, so I'm going to glue it into place. I'm going to be using some liquid super glue, and I'm going to be using a compound called Fast Fusion Grey. So these are just fibers, you can use cotton. Okay, so I'm almost done with the hardscape. I want to show you guys like a small pro tip. I've kept all the sawdust from the wood I've cut, and I'm going to use it to hide the glue spots. So you guys can see how ugly this glue spot is. So I'm just going to go over it. Oh my god, is this one blocked? Oh god, fuck. Over it with some super glue, like this. A pinch of sawdust. And then you can preferably take a small paintbrush, not like me, and just brush it away. So there's still a small spot. So I'm just going to repeat this whole process in all the high visibility areas. All that is left to do is to fill the tank. It's going to dark cycle for a few weeks because this wood is going to release a lot of tannins, it's going to release some fungus, so it's going to take some time before I actually plant this tank. Okay guys, so I'm going to stop the video here for today because I've reached boiling point here, and so has my filming equipment. So I will see you guys next week for a new video.